Welcome to the stunning home and most desirable community in Tracy, which is Tracy Hills. Let's do this. Why don't we take a tour together and I can show you around? This beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offering 13 square feet of a modern living on a corner lot. Perfectly positioned to capture natural light, this east-facing residence blends comfort, style, and functionality. Home is loaded with upgrades throughout, featuring a sleek modern kitchen, spacious living area, and thoughtfully designed bedrooms. The true highlight is the incredible backyard, a private oasis perfect for hosting friends and family. Whether it's weekend gatherings, summer barbecues, or relaxing evenings, this outdoor space is designed to impress. Located in the highly desirable Tracy Hill community, offering scenic surroundings, parks, and vibrant neighborhood feel, this home truly has it all. Easy access to the freeways, shopping centers, and much more. Thank you so much for taking a tour with us today. If you have any question regarding this home or any other home in the area, reach out to me at the number below.